Today I'm going to show you the tricks that I use up my sleeves of the best side hustles for you to use this summer. If you're watching this video, I know the thought of you making extra money doing easy jobs this summer is literally in your brain. I want you to win. Talk less, do more, stop procrastinating, start pushing. I'm going to show you 10 side hustles in 3 minutes that I've actually done.
How about that?
All right, stop. Ugh. Side hustle number 1, go and walk dogs. Dogs love going for walks. Do you like walks? Told ya. Pet owners don't like going for walks with their dogs because it's super annoying. Chuck an ad online, boom, done. Next one, be a photographer or a videographer, even if you suck. I used to be really bad and I actually did my first ever wedding on an iPhone 6. Charged $700, which to me at the time seemed like a lot of money. Fact. Videographers charge anywhere between $1,000 and $10,000. If you're charging $500 for your iPhone, that's a really good deal for somebody. The next one that I do is one of my favorites, and it's running a sports camp. Even if you're just an organized person, you can run a sports camp and hire a coach. And I use this as a fundraiser for my sports team. It's good to help the children. So if we make $2,000 every single summer, other sports camps charge way too much money, and honestly it's super unfair, and I basically say suck it to all those expensive sports camps that overcharge children every single year.
Please think of the children!
That's how we roll. Side hustle number 4, oh my gosh, shut up. So annoying. Hustle number 4, this especially works well if you have a truck. Go and haul junk that people don't want. You can charge a ton of money. People are desperate to get rid of things. Easy money. Number 5, go and sell spike ball nets. That's one of my favorites. Shut up. Manage a small business on social media. Go and reach out to some small business that does a crappy job on their Instagram and go and take it over. Go and charge them a bunch of money. I've got a list of prices in a different video. Seriously, don't sleep on this. Go and do this. Even if you're half good at Instagram, it's not that hard. Number 7, it's summertime. Go garage sailing. Find items of value. Lowball, flip, sell, easy. It's full sentences. Number 8 is a little cliche, landscape, but with the complete focus that you are going to learn as much as you can from this company and then make your own company eventually. I have a buddy who has his education degree and he is choosing not to teach because he makes more money in 4 months than he does in an entire year teaching. I like my summers off too much to do that, but maybe you might like that. Next, side hustle number 9 is get a job in the customer service industry. Oh, you want a box to go? Okay then. Shut up. Okay, in all seriousness, you can actually make a ton of extra money doing this. Just in tips alone, just by being a friendly and helpful person, you'll make a ton of extra money. There's a lot of potential in the summertime to make money because there's so many weddings. Number 10, high five, you made it. This is by far my favorite thing, is actually use the skills that make you special and unique to make money. I'm good at magic, coaching, and videography.
That's debatable.
All of those are viable businesses. If you're good at organizing, actually go and use your skills. If you're good at cleaning, go and start a cleaning business. If you don't know if you can turn your skills into a business, message me down below in the comments and I'd love to help you out and tell you what I think and what you could do. Go and use your skills that make you special and unique. All right, bye.